The Shona alphabet. The Shona alphabet is almost the same as that of English. The main difference is that the Shona alphabet has 23 letters, which means that it's just like the English alphabet but without L, Q, and X. So right about now you might be wondering, how do we pronounce these letters? The good thing is that you don't have to worry about pronouncing all the letters on the alphabet. You only have to worry about pronouncing 5 letters, which are vowels. By the way, check out our previous video on vowels, and the link to that video is in the description below. So moving on, how do we pronounce the vowels? So the first one is A, the second being E, and the third being E, the fourth being O, and the last one being U. So it's A, E, E, O, U. That's how you pronounce the vowels in the Shona language. Then when it comes to the rest of the letters, you pronounce them the exact way they are pronounced in English. For example, that is B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, and so on. So when it comes to the rest of the letters, the way they are pronounced is not very much important. What is more important is how each consonant sound when combined with a vowel, or how 2 or 3 consonants sound when combined with a vowel. So this is how the Shona alphabet works. Thank you for watching this video, and in the following video we are going to be focusing on the letter B, how it sounds when combined with vowels, how it works with other consonants, and we're going to be giving you some examples of Shona words with the letter B.